So now we plug the power cable. This is the power cable. Normally you need to use the 6 millimeter, 6 millimeter square millimeter, 6 square millimeter cables. 4 cables. This cable we named the neutral cable. This 3 cable we named the fire cable. So here this is the air breaker. You can see it is a 63 amps. 63 amps. So here you can see the bottom, it has a level. Neutral cable. L2, L3, and this is L1. L1, L2, L3. 1, 2, 3. Neutral cable. Letter N, neutral cable. So the black cable we need to plug to the neutral cable port. We plug and fix it. Other 3 fire cables, we firstly plug them randomly plug. L1, L2, L3. Then this cable go through here. And then directly come to the ground. This is the neutral cable. We plug to the neutral port. Fire cable. Plug to the fire port. The other and the last fire cable. 好了。